Still need a couple marshals out there. Where my guys at? I got Chandler. I got Gabe.
Man.
An E-killer in the house.
Yeah, I don't know about tonight though. Bad luck to you.
I go with the chair. I need one more from left hand side, one more on the top left.
Thank you. Oh, what's your website?
Since that chair is going to take the top left, I need one to the chair. One to the chair.
Got your videos on there too.
Well,
one marshal to the chair. You even got
a
seat.
You still got them.
All right, order's going to be starting 10th. I know, I'm waiting on you. I'm just getting everyone else lined up so when you get here, we can race. Steven will be 10th. Wade will be 9th. AJ will be 8th. Enos in 7th. 6th will be Justin. 5th will be Chris. 4th will be Cameron. 3rd will be Dennis. 2nd will be Dylan. And your TQ for Stadium Truck is Luis.
Yeah.
Finish.
That's right.
Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. 8-minute long. Amen event. Racing at the sound of the tone.
American Shocker.
And we're off. Justin Doyle lands on his head. Right off. Oh, big mess on the drop down. Caution drop down. Caution drop down. Everyone's back going. Rough start for Enos. And for Cameron, AJ gets hung up on the pipe. 8 minutes to make it up. Luis out to an early lead. Dylan Latour in 2nd. Dennis was 3rd, but it looks like Doyle's up to 3rd now. Dennis is 4th. Oh, Dennis gets wrong a little bit double. Marshall can't get to him. Love crash there for Dennis. With 1 down, 7 to go. Luis is your leader. Here he comes through the double-double now. Slow yellow body with the yellow wheels. Everyone knows yellow wheels are faster. Pulling that big wheelie down the front stretch. Dylan Latour trying to run him down. Orange truck with the, hey, turn around, turn around. Good on you, Mike. If he had yellow wheels, that wouldn't have happened. Instead he has black wheels. Whoa. We got problems in turns 1 and 2. We got a man down. You alright, Michael? Alright. Whoa! Caution straightaway. It is clear. Big HP for Dennis Lambert. Standing that thing up like John Ford. That thing handles good in the straight line. 2 down, 6 to go. Luis still in the lead. 4-second gap to Justin Doyle. Justin Doyle now just getting to the double-double as Luis heads on the front straightaway. Dennis got his 2nd. Well, that wasn't your fault. In 3rd. Well, now up to 2nd is Chris Brown. Dylan Latour up to 3rd. Justin in 4th. Cameron in 5th, caution turn 1, stay inside turn 1. It is clear. Cameron will be 5th, Steven in 6th, Enos in 7th, Dennis in 8th, Wade in 9th, and AJ in 10th. A lot of crashing going on this past minute. Tire dope starting to wear off. Starting to get the true handling of these trucks. 0-3 down, 5 to go. Luis still your leader. Here he comes through the double-double. Catching up to Wade. Wade, that will be your leader. Chris Brown in 2nd. He's battling out with Dylan Latour. Here they come on the right side. Thank you very much, sir. Across the line, Dylan Latour now in 2nd. Chris Brown sits 3rd. With 3:45 down, 4:15 to go. Luis still your leader. Rough lap that time by 20.8. Dylan Latour 16.1. 3 seconds is the gap. Wade, that is second place coming up on me here in just a second. Thank you, sir. Oh, not quite like that. Oh, you could have had it. You turned the wrong way. You're all clear. Enos, that is your leader coming up on you with the flow yellow truck. Thank you, sir. So your leader, Luis, coming across the line now. Dylan Latour second across the line. Third place, Chris Brown across the line. David Saxon in fourth across the line. Oh, Chris Brown getting it wrong. Through the double-double. Keeps going all fours. He goes way wide, losing a lot of time. That's up by Luis with the 16.6. Latour with a 15.7. Latour holds fast lap of 15.2 on lap 16. With 5 down and 3 to go, the gap is only 1.5 seconds between your leaders. Thank you, Wade. It seems like it's never ending, isn't it, Wade? Thank you, though. Here come your leaders on the front stretch now. Luis with the flow yellow. Oh, he gets it wrong. His first bobble all race. Lands on his feet. But he's going to get the lead to Latour. Here they come to the double-double. Latour with the black wheels. Flow orange body. Luis, yellow all around. Coming through 1 and 2 on the set down. Dylan Latour on the step down, coming through the bowl now. Here's Luis, on his tail, waiting for any mistake. Sitting third right now, Chris Brown still has a 3-second gap over Justin Doyle. David Saxon holds down the 5, Dennis in 6, Steven in 7, Enos in 8, and Wade in 9. 1:50 to go, drivers. Luis throwing down some laps now. 15.4 for Latour, 15.5 for Luis, 17 flat for Chris that time by. Rough lap for him. Looks like the gap is shrinking. We'll see it across the line. Latour 15.7 and Luis is 15.5, 6/10 of a second as they head through the ball turn. Into the double-double. Both drivers make it through cleanly. Luis looking a little bit on the free side. Helps some of the tight stuff a little bit sketchier. 1 minute remaining, drivers. 1 minute remaining. Luis is there.
Hey,
right on the bumper of Dylan Latour with 50 seconds remaining. He's looking inside. Latour on the pipe. He's right there. Looking 30 gaps. Here's your leaders on the step down. Dennis, those are your leaders coming up on you. Oh! They all managed to make it through. Thank you, sir. Here they come through turns 1 and 2 on the step down. Latour has the lead. Luis looking to get by with 20 seconds remaining. Sends over the double-double. Gets it up on the pipe, but that stadium truck just monster trucks right over. This should be their final lap, I believe. Coming through the double-double. Latour has a little bit of a gap. Luis gets it a little bit wrong. Oh, rolls it over. Racing to the line. Latour takes it. Luis will be second. Chris Brown finishes third and Justin Doyle in fourth. Good race, guys. Bring him in to shut him down. Back out to Marshall as soon as possible. Up next, two-wheel stock buggy, a main event. Diener, Kennedy, Saxon, Suggs, Carmody, Doyle, Moreno, Petrie,